Hello everyone. Chalo, we will continue with our remaining numericals based on want of factor. Take down first question. A 0.1 molar solution of K2SO4 in water, 0.1 molar small m solution of K2SO4. K2SO4 is electrolyte here. So we have to consider want of factor, right? In water has freezing point of minus 4.3 degrees Celsius. Minus 4.3 degrees Celsius. What is the value of want of factor? What is the value of want of factor if Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole? If Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Very simple question. What is given? 0.1 molar solution. So concentration of the solution is given or molality is given. 0.1 molar solution of K2SO4. K2SO4 electrolyte given is K2SO4 has in water has freezing point of minus 0.43. So this is delta TF. The freezing point of solution is given, na? So that is delta TF. How much? Minus 4.3 degree Celsius. What is the value of want of factor? Question is, what is I? If K for water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Okay. What do we know? How do we calculate I? So I is equal to delta TF upon delta TF standard, right? So it is observed value and here we take not, means theoretical value. Let us find what is delta TF observed. TF is given as minus 0.43. We will call this as equation number 1. So delta TF is equal to T0F minus TF. What is T0F? In degree Celsius or in Kelvin? Degree Celsius. It is given in degree Celsius, so I will keep it as it is. 0 minus 4.3. So that is equal to plus 4.3 degrees Celsius. This is delta TF. Now we have to find delta TF naught, right? We have to find delta TF naught. That is theoretical value. This is observed upon theoretical. I remember this is O by T, OT. Okay, this is observed. Now naught means standard, expected, theoretical value. So what is theoretical value? Delta TF is equal to Kf into M. What is Kf? 1.86. And what is M? M is equal to 0.1. So what is expected value? 0.186 Kelvin kg per mole. This is mole per kg. So what is remaining? Kelvin. Kelvin is same as Kelvin. Difference is same whether it is Kelvin or degree Celsius. So we can say delta TF naught is equal to 0.186 degree Celsius. Put these values in equation 1. Put in 1. So what do we get? I is equal to 4.3 upon 0.186. Shift the decimal. 43 upon 1.86. 1 place towards right. See the logs. This is 1.0 point. What's the log? 43 log. See. What's the log of 43? 43 is 6335. 6335. And this is 0 point. So 18 in 6. 18 in 6. How much is this? 2695. 2695. 2695. We have to subtract. So this is 0. 13 minus 9, 4. Next 13 minus 7, 6. 6 minus 3. And this is 1. So antilog of this 36.36 in 4. 0.36 in 4. It is 2312. 2312. So we get I value 2.36 312. This is the answer. Okay, delta from freezing point depression experiment we have calculated value of I, and that is 2.312. Okay, next question. Read this, complete this, and then take down next question. Is finished? Chalo, next. Take down next question. 0.2 molal, small m, 0.2 molal, aqueous solution of KCl, aqueous solution of KCl freezes at 0.68 degree Celsius. 0.68 degree Celsius. Calculate want of factor. Calculate want of factor and observed osmotic pressure of solution. Observed osmotic pressure of solution at 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius. Given Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole. Let us find. Read the question carefully. 0.2 molar aqueous solution of KCl. 0.2 molar means molality is given. 0.2 molar or mole per kg. Whatever. You can write simply small m, or its split up is mole per kg. Freezes at, so its freezing point. Freezing point of solution is given, means this is the actual value of that freezing point. How much is this? Minus 0.68. Minus 0.68 degree Celsius. Calculate want of factor, means I. Want of factor I. And observed osmotic pressure, means actual osmotic pressure. Observe osmotic pressure of the solution at 0 degrees Celsius. So to calculate this, temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, means it is 273 Kelvin. Okay, 273 Kelvin. And Kf is given. Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Two questions are there. One, where to find want of factor, and second, where to find observed osmotic pressure. So how to find I? Depending upon delta TF. So delta TF upon standard delta TF, observed upon theoretical. What is delta TF? This one, T0 minus TF, T0F minus TF. And what is it? This is Kf into M, isn't it? Put the values. So what do we get? T0 is 0 and TF is minus 0.68. Kf is 1.86 and molality is 0.2. So this is 0.68 upon, multiplied by this 2, 6. 6 2s are 12. So it is, so this becomes 0.3 decimal now, 1 2 3. So 0.378. So this is 68 upon 372. 68 upon 372. Let us solve by log 68. We have to see log of 68. Log of 68. Log of 68. Yes, what is it? 68 log is 8325. 8325. This is 1 point and this is 2 point. 37 in 2. 37 in 2. What is it? 5705. 5705. Okay. Check. We have to do subtraction. So this is 0. This is 2. Then this is equal to 13 minus 7, 6, 8 minus 6, 2, and this is bar 1. We have to see its antilog. Antilog of what? 2620. 2620. How much? 1828. 1828. Characteristic is bar 1. So it is 0.1828. This is want of factor I. Is it? Check. Did I make any mistake in the decimal? Just see. Because answer is 1.83 given here. And I got that answer as yes, decimal. Na? See here. I have shifted 2 decimal to right. So here also I should shift 2 decimal. I wrote it as 37.2. 372. It should be 37.2. So this is 1 minus 1. So this comes 0. 0 means it becomes 1.828. So this is value of I. Want of factor. It has no unit. It is the ratio of same properties. Now where to find pi? So I is equal to pi observed upon pi theoretical. So first pi, so we have to find pi. So we can multiply pi observed, pi standard by want of factor. I we have 1.828, and what is pi? So I will write first formula. So what is pi? Pi is equal to W2 RT upon M2 into V. This is the formula, right? Now see, they have not given molar concentration. They have given molal concentration. So W2 upon N2 is nothing but W2 upon M2 is nothing but N2. So we can replace this by N2 RT upon V. N2 means number of moles. Solution is 0.2 molal. It means 0.2 mole present in 1 kg solvent, right? So we have mass of solvent, that is 1 kg. It means volume of solvent is 1 liter because density of water is 1. Okay, and N2 we get as 0.2. So we can write from this N2 is 0.2 and W is equal to V is equal to W1 is equal to volume of the solution is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 is 1 kg na here. 1 kg is equal to 1000 ml, or that is same as 1 liter. Since D is equal to 1 gram per ml. Okay. Now put these values in this equation. So we get pi is equal to I value is 1.828 into N2. N2 is 0.2. R value, this is taken in liter. So R must be 0.082. 0.082 into temperature 273 upon volume is 1 liter. So just multiply this. This log is 0.2620. 0.2 is bar 1 3010. This is 2.27 in 2 and 82. We have to see the logs. This is bar 2 point, right? Bar 2.82 log. Log of 82 is 9138. 9138 and 27 in 2. 27 in 3. What is it? 27 in 3 is 4362. 4362. Add these logs. Add these logs. 8, 9, 10, 1. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1. 13, 6 and 4, 10 and 11. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 and 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And here 1, 1 get cancelled, 2, 2 get cancelled. So this is 0. So we have to see its antilog in 913. 0.91 in 3. 0.91 in 3 comes 8185. 8185. Characteristic is 0. So this is 8.185. 8.185. 185. Yes, answer is 8.19. And what will be the unit? Atmosphere, because we have taken R in liter atmosphere. So expected unit of pi as atmosphere. Okay. So pi is 8.185 atmosphere. Complete this. Chalo, next question. Is finished. Take down next question. 0.01 molal. 0.01 molal aqueous solution of aqueous solution of K3FeCN6. How to write? See, K3FeCN6. K3FeCN6 freezes at minus 0.62 degrees Celsius. Minus 0.62 degrees Celsius. Calculate percentage dissociation of solute. Calculate percentage dissociation of solute. Given Kf is equal to how much? 1.86. Yes, 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Read the question. 0.01 molal aqueous solution. So molality is 0.01. K3FeCN6 freezes at. So this is again observed freezing point. How much? Minus 0.062 degrees Celsius. So minus 0.062 degree Celsius. And what is the question? Calculate percentage dissociation of solute. Kf is given. Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. And they ask percentage dissociation of solute. Means percent alpha we have to find. What is the formula of alpha? Alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. I is nothing but want of factor and n means number of ions produced by dissociation of that electrolyte. Let us find both these values. First consider this. K3FeCN6. This is called as complex. Something complicated structure. We have one lesson, coordinate compounds. In that we will discuss what is meant by complexes. But remember, whatever terms are given in the square bracket, they are not dissociated. Means we cannot split this as Fe2 plus and Cn minus. No. So this is one ion, this is one ion. So it dissociates to give 3 times na K. So K has charge plus 1. So 3K plus FeCN6. And what is the charge on it? The number at the bottom of K. So this is 3 minus. Understood this ionization? So what is the value of N? 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Number of ions produced equal to 4. Let us find value of I. How to find I? So experiment given is freezing point. TF upon delta TF standard. So delta TF. What is delta TF? Delta TF we can write as T naught F minus TF upon delta TF is Kf into M. Put the values. TF naught is 0 minus 0.062. Kf is 1.86 and molality 0.01. So what do we get? Want of factor I is equal to 0.062 upon 186 into 10 raised to this minus 2 we can write this as minus 4, right? And this also we can write. So what do we get? 62 into 10 raised to minus 3 na 1 2 3 minus 3 upon 186 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this goes up, becomes plus 3, plus 4, plus 4 and minus 3 means 1, 10. Means this I value becomes 620 upon 186. Okay. Let us calculate. Do the log calculation here. Shall I write? Okay, let it be. 620. 620, what's the log? 2 point, and this is 2 point. So 620. 62 in 0. 62 in 0 is 7928. 7924. And 186. 18 in 6. 18 in 6 is 2695. 2695. Subtract. So what do we get? This is 14 minus 5. So 9. 12 minus 10. 9 minus 7. This is 7 minus 2. And this is 0. 5229. Say it's antilog. 5229. What is the antilog? 52 into and 9. 9 is how much? 7. 3327 plus 7 means 27 plus 7. It is 34. 3334. So we get value of I 3334. What's the characteristic? 0. So I is equal to 3.334. This is I value. Put it in equation 1. Put in equation 1. So what do we get? Alpha is equal to I 3.334 minus 1 upon n 4 minus 1. So this is equal to 2.334 upon 3. So divide this by 3. So what is the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to 0.23 means 7. 21, 22, 23. Again 3. 27. So this comes 2 and 4. So this is 8.778. They asked percent alpha. So what is percent alpha? Alpha into 100. So alpha is 0.778 into 100. So this is 77.8%. This is the answer. Okay. Percent alpha is 77.8%. Write it. Finished? Next question. See the next question. Take down 19.5. 19.5 gram. 19.5 gram of 19.5 gram of monofluoroacetic acid of monofluoroacetic acid was dissolved in 0.5 kg of water. 0.5 kg of water. The freezing point of solution was observed to be minus 1 degree Celsius. Calculate want of factor and degree of dissociation. Want of factor and degree of dissociation. Read the question. 19.5 gram of monofluoroacetic acid was dissolved in 0.5 kg of water. So what are the given things? W2 is given. How much? 19.5 gram. W1 is given 0.5 kg. It means it is 500 gram. Freezing point of solution, that is TF, minus 1 degree Celsius. Calculate want of factor and degree of dissociation. So again, like previous question, alpha is I minus 1 upon N minus 1. Call this equation 1. Which is the substance given here? Substance given is monofluoroacetic acid. What does it mean? Acetic acid, what's the formula? CH3COOH. Now this is monofluoro. Mono means one. One fluorine is there. So formula becomes CH2F. One hydrogen is replaced by fluorine. So how does it dissociate? It is weak electrolyte. So it dissociates to give CH2F, COO minus and H plus. So from this we get value of N, 1 plus 1. Say it is 2. N is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. So if we put that value in 1, put in 1. So what do we get? Alpha is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. I minus 1. Call this equation 2. Okay. Now let us find molar mass of that solute. Alpha is I minus 1. We have to find I. What is I? I is delta TF upon delta TF standard, right? What is delta TF? Delta TF is T0F minus TF upon delta T. See, KF they have not given here, but solvent used is water. So we know KF. KF is 1.86 and molality is also not given. So we have to split molality formula. We have to write value of molality. So directly I will write here delta TF naught can also be determined as 1000 W2 KF upon M2 W1. So if you put it here, this is 0 minus 1 into M2 into W1 upon 1000 W2 KF. M2 we require. So what is the value of M2? Substance is CH2FCOOH. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons. So 2 carbons means 24. 2 oxygen. So it is 32. How many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. And 1 fluorine. Fluorine is 19. Mass of fluorine is 19. Atomic mass of fluorine is 19. See one more time. 2 carbons, 24. 3 hydrogen, 2 oxygen and 1 fluorine. See the total. What is it? 4, 5, 6. 6 and 9. 15. 15 and 3. 18. 1. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 78. Okay. 78. Molar mass is 78. Well. So M2 is 78 gram per mole. Put this value here. So what do we get? So I is equal to what is I? This 1 into M2 78 W1 in gram, that is 500 upon 1000. W2 is how much? 19.5 and KF is 1.86. This is 500 ones are 2s are. Okay. So simplify this. What do we get? I is equal to 78 upon 19.5 into 2 into 1.86. Let us calculate. Let us calculate this value. So first we will solve denominator. Log of 19.5. 19.5. What's the log? 19 in 5. See? 2900. Yes. 2900. It's 1 point. Second one is 2. It's 3010. And 18 in 6. 18 in 6 is how much? 18 in 6 is 2695. 2695. Add this 5, 10, 15, 16. This is 33678. And this is 1. And denominator. Numerator minus denominator we have to do. So 78 log we require. It is 8921. 8921 minus 8605. This comes equal to 0.0316. See its antilog 03 in 16. 03 in 1 and 6. 6 is how much? 1. 6 is 1 means 1075. So we get value of I 1075. Characteristic is 1 0. So I value is 1.075. I value is 1.075. Put this value of I in equation 2 so as to get value of alpha. So put I in equation 2. So alpha is equal to 1.075 minus 1 is 0.075. 0.075. Okay. So if we convert this into percent alpha, they have not asked percent alpha, they ask simply alpha. So yes, this is the answer. Alpha is 0.075. Okay. This is degree of dissociation of monofluoroacetic acid. Write this. Okay, so these are numericals based on want of factor. Tomorrow we will discuss numericals which are unsolved in your textbook, and some solved questions, quite different type of question. First time they have introduced in the syllabus, but generally no question in MCQs or boards also. Boards we don't know, now this year only they have introduced these questions. So better solve new questions also. So in the next lecture we will solve these new questions.